Hello, my friends. I am Kathy Weaver, and this, of course, is, again, Words of Wisdom Wednesday. Today, I'd like to talk about flip it. What did she say? Flip it. I am still finding, with all of the networking that I do each and every day, actually, that some of the folks on the calls, or even in person, actually, forget to flip it. Again, I'm Kathy Weaver. This is Words of Wisdom Wednesday, and I am part of the fan club for Delinda Lane and the Fun, Fearless Female global community of Christian women. Why do I keep doing these videos? Because first of all, I absolutely love helping people. I don't like doing videos, in case you need to know that. But if a picture is worth 1,000 words, how much is a video worth? And the cool thing is, when people find Words of Wisdom Wednesday videos out there, they look up Fun, Fearless Female global community of Christian women. They find Delinda Lane, they join the group. That's why I do this. Let's get back to flip it. Go ahead, think about it. When you're in a networking event, again, in person or virtual, that piece does not matter. And there's an icebreaker question, let's say. What's your superpower? What's your favorite color? What was your first car? We've talked about icebreakers before. What is your zone of genius? What are you great at? All of those. And the person answers the question, do they flip it back to you? Tell me about you. So, of course, they talk for an hour and a half and they never say, tell me about you. They forgot to flip it. What is your favorite season? What's your favorite hobby? What do you do for fun? Or they could actually say, what is your business? Oh my gosh. Be careful, please, when you ask that question. Okay, please be careful with that one. This is not a time for a presentation, a demo, a workshop. What is your business? I'm a water technology specialist. Tell me about you. Flip it, please. I am still finding fire hosing, if you will. And all someone said is, tell me about your business. I just want to know what industry you're in. Please consider the flip. Most of the time when someone asks a question, they're asking the question because they want you to ask it of them. How long have you been in business? What do you like best about your company? What does your network look like? Where else do you go for networking? Please flip it back to me. Where else do you go for networking? What products and services do you offer besides the products and services you sell? If I ask you that, flip it. Please flip it. And I can't tell you how many times I have been in a room. I'm watching. I pay attention, even in breakout rooms. Many times I just sit and watch because I want to see the interaction. If I don't speak, I'm just observing. I want to see what goes on in these breakout rooms. When I go to an in-person event, I watch the room. I want to see who's interacting. I want to see if there's a click going on, or two or three. I want to see all of this. And I want to learn from it. What do you like best about networking? Please flip it. I get to connect with other people. I get to connect other people with each other. Again, many times when someone asks a question, they want you to flip it back to them. So that's why I wanted to talk about today. Please remember that. It's a conversation skill, of course, but for me, it's a style of networking. I hear and I listen, and I want to be present. If they're asking a question, it came to them for a reason. It's hopefully not on a list. And if they asked you that question, probably they want you to ask it of them. Flip it. Thanks for tuning in today. I'm Kathy Weaver, and this is Words of Wisdom Wednesday. Are you going to remember to flip it this week? Bye for now.